How do you tighten a loose door handle on a Thermador refrigerator?
What's the make and model of the fridge? And can you guesstimate how old is it?
Thermador model put 4255E06 and it's 5 years old. There aren't any screws for the door that can be seen.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If I can. It's just a loose door handle. Seems like I should be able to just tighten it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. I apologize for the extended wait time you experienced. I've only just come online now and would like to assist you with your question if you are still needing help, that is.
I can't figure out how to tighten the handle. There are no visible Allen screws.
The screws go into the handles through the inside of the handle. So there is a cap in between the door handle and the frame itself. See this blowout below. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me. It has been a pleasure assisting you today.
Do we have to remove the front door panel or does something pop off of the handle to access the screw?
No, you shouldn't have to remove the panel, just get to the screw through the inside of the door.
There is no place that you can access the screws. The only screws are on the top of the door frame. Everything inside the fridge is a solid piece.
Give me just a moment to see if I can locate the service manual.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.